This is a great Effilogic sponge holder. They come in 2 different sizes, the medium and the large, and also these 3 great colors. What makes Effilogic different is the draining system. The slope makes all the water drain right back into the sink, especially with this lip. It's made with silicone. It's sturdy enough, but at the same time flexible. It sits right on the counter, so no water can go in between your countertop and the sponge holder. It is large enough to hold all your sponges, your dispensers and your brushes, even in the kitchen and the bathroom. It can hold your toothbrushes, toothpaste, or even your hair iron. They can also be used in your RV as well. It's easy to clean. You just chuck them in the dishwasher, or you could hand wash them. This is great in your house, or amazing as a housewarming gift for a person who would love to keep their house organized. Try it out.